Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Yousim token. Now the Yousim token is a meme coin on the Solana blockchain, and it was just announced today, November 13th, that they got a very big central exchange listing starting today at 8:30 a.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the Yousim AI token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is on the Solana blockchain, so you could find it on SolScan. You could also find it on, if you're looking for the chart and the price and all the statistical information, you can find this token on Bird Eye, Dex Tools, and Dex Screener. Now this token was created on a web page called pump.fun, which is a page for creating Solana meme coins. And you could tell because the contract address ends in pump. Now this token pair was created 20 days ago on Raydium, so it's not like a brand new token. It is somewhat new, under a month old, under 3 weeks old. And this token just today, they got a very big central exchange listing starting at 8:30 a.m. this morning. Today's November 13th. They got listed today on KCEX Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a KCEX Global account, I do have a KCEX Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that KCEX Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol YOUSIM, all one word, Yousim, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now, if KCEX Global is not available in your country, or maybe you just don't want to use a central exchange, you can also get this token off of decentralized exchanges like Raydium, maybe Jupiter, Meteora, Orca, definitely Raydium. For that, first of all, you would need a wallet. You could download a Soulflare wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or MetaMask wallet from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund your wallet with Sol. Now, you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, then you would go into the dApps, and you would find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for the Yousim token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, which is yousim.ai. Now they also have some socials, so they have a Telegram, and their Telegram is at Yousim Portal. 382 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding the project, like new token listing announcements, new partnerships, updates, memes, of course, along with the Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here as usual. And their Twitter is at Yousim.ai. So Yousim.ai. It says your portal to the multiverse of identity, a Plastic Labs experience, and it has a link to Plastic Labs there. It says autonomous account. So autonomous account means that it's an AI. There's tons of these right now. their AI Twitter accounts, and they have like some sort of narrative, programming or whatever, where like this one's a middle-aged lady, this one's a teenage skateboarder, this one's this, and they talk based off the prompts or whatever, right? So they have a link tree right there, full link tree. It's going to take you anywhere you need to go. Web pages right there, Yousim.ai. It says they're followed by KCEX Global. They just joined in October 2024 on Twitter. 4,409 followers. Blue verified checkmark. 1,819 tweets. So it says here, Yousim is a fun demo to explore the multiverse of identities. A glimpse, a mere infinite silver of a transfinite diversity within the latent space, whatever the heck that means. And so when you go to their webpage, yousim.ai, so yeah, it says here it's a game that you can simulate anyone you like. Who will you summon? And it says read more on our blog or watch a tutorial. So they have all these different prompts here you could put in, like /locate, /summon, /speak, /create. And they all do different things. Like it says, invent your own command to interact with the latent space. Communicate with an identity. Conjure an identity from the multiverse of identity. Pinpoint an identity in the latent space. And then there's different things like press escape to clear the input line. Press this. So they basically tell you step by step on their webpage how to use the page. And then if you want to learn even more, you could read the blog articles that pop up. Now, this token has a market cap right now of $31.2 million. That's also their fully diluted valuation. They have $1.2 million in liquidity in Raydium. And according to DEX Screener, 99.89% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Now, just today, they have a 24-hour trading volume of $5.8 million. They've had 8,614 transactions. Token price right now is about 3.14 cents per token. Token pair was created 2 days, 2 hours ago on Raydium. There was a community takeover for this token here on October 25th. So it is now a community-run project. They also, it says document section. If you click on the document section, it basically takes you to the blog articles I was talking about by Plastic Labs. And they talk about the simulators, unfolding Yousim Identiplex, just how it works, all sorts of things here. The large language model, the graph view, all sorts of cool stuff on this blog article. But yeah, you can find this token on Bird Eye, DEX Tools, DEX Screener, SoulScan. Now just listed today on KCEX Global. Make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that KCEX Global one where this token just got listed. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.